Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cash receipt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cash receipt. You can do it under the Customer Cash Receipt menu. And here's the cash receipt page. It mainly implements the creation, approval, and application of invoices and recording of the receipt. Let me show you how to create a new receipt by clicking the New Entry button. You can fill out the information below or use the Copy Receipt function from an existing receipt. The first part is the batch connection for the cash receipt. You create it on the same date and they are related. They can be put under the same batch ID. It is easier for you to check what cash receipts you have created on that date. You can choose the batch ID you have created to date or create a new batch. The second part is the receipt detail. Select the parent account. If the account is a child account, leave the account ID blank. If the account has no parent account, leave the parent account blank and select the account ID and name. The third part is the payment information. You can choose the payment information you would like and deposit to each bank. After clicking Save, a cash receipt is created. For the new cash receipt, it is under the draft status. You can only edit the cash receipt under the draft status. When it is ready, you can click Submit for approval. An email will be sent to the accounting team to get their approval for this cash receipt. The status will change to Submitted for approval. At this stage, it can be approved or rejected. If it is rejected, you can edit the cash receipt and it will go back to the draft status. You can submit it for approval again. If it is approved, you can post this cash receipt. After it's posted, it will become effective and you can apply it to the invoice. Since the unapplied amount is 0, after confirming the application and there is no remaining balance, the status will be fully applied for the cash receipt. If it is not fully applied and there is some remaining balance, the status will be partially applied. You can void it if it is necessary. Apart from creating this cash receipt one by one using the New Entry button, you can also import the cash receipts in batch using this button. You can then download the template and fill it out. After it is uploaded successfully, the cash receipts will be imported. So that will be all for how to create a cash receipt. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorial videos.